Hey, right, this is lockpick video 9. Today's challenge is my Euro 6-pin by Merchant. Definitely the hardest challenge for me out of all the others, because this seems to have serration in the pins, or spool pins. Probably serrated spool pins, so no messing about at the intro. I'm going to get straight in with the Storm 4D half diamond reach with tape, because they're giving me sore fingers now from lots of picking practice, and I'm too tight to spend the £10 that Storm lockpicks want for a handle, for a like an aluminium handle thing. Just, if they make a plastic one for £3, I'll maybe buy it. But I'm not paying £10 when the picks only cost £5. Now then, it's this pin 2 that really throws me off. You have to brutally push it down. To get some sort of strange false set out of it. I've had to do lots of things with this lock that kind of feel unnatural. You click a pin and it feels like it's set beautifully, but it isn't. Like pin 1 does that, but if you push it down, and there she's open. And it's about time too, because that wasn't my first take, and I've probably just waffled in that, not expecting this one to actually open. So there we go, there's my Merchant 6-pin Euro, single pin picked. At last, thank God, done.